What's up guys, in today's video we are playing a bit of Animal Company. We're back at it again. I know. Okay, sorry. But guys, this is for views, so please subscribe. He's in cool, no. I know, but they can. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut to when I have to do it alone. I do not like this, guys. For this run, you're gonna need a Giga Flash. If you monograph, you can, but you can't really use it because it's in the metal deck. It's in a metal vent. It's in a vent. Skinwalker in a vent. I know. It's super scary. And I'm not being sarcastic. It is literally. The majority of you've probably already seen this because just toasty, you know. But this. The following scenes are super scary, I'm just warning you. No joke. Guys, this is probably going to be a short video because I am going to poo myself. The audio also went really bad as well, so I'm really sorry about that. Nope. I don't know if you saw that hand. Can we maybe get a replay on that? But okay, here's the replay. Here you go. Editing. The audio also went really bad as well, so I'm really sorry about that. Yep, there you go. That's the replay. Let me just slow it down for you. Basic. Oh, okay. Oh, you got the replay. It's like literally a dog. Look at that. It's a rat. That's a good thumbnail picture. Let's get a good thumbnail picture. And now, eat my torch. I'll poo. Okay, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm a scaredy cat. Bye-bye.